All right, hello. I'm going to show you really quick how to use the add-font gftools tool. Admittedly, this tool is kind of broken right now, so it's not a very easy workflow, so that's why I'm making this video. All right, so we have Google Fonts gftools. We can clone this. And I've made a demo folder. Let's see, get clone. Let's clone gftools. And let's see, gftools. So we've got the lib and bin folders, and we're going to want to run everything from the root directory. So the first thing I guess we want to do, and I'm not happy about this, is we have to do a pip, let's see, pip2 install user -e dot. Okay, so we're just going to install everything in editable mode from the root directory. And now, so we have in the Google Fonts directory, I have this TTF that does not have a metadata file or the description file. Add-font will generate these. Okay. So now, from the root directory we run bin python gftools add font, and we'll run that on this directory. Okay, did all the stuff, and it looks like we got the metadata file, okay, which you can see here. And the description file. That's a problem. It should have made a description file. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.